Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to hard reset a Moto G Play smartphone. This will be a super duper easy peasy tutorial, so let's get right into the video. As you can see right here, this is my Moto G Play new smartphone, and a hard reset is essentially when you force a device to reset, okay? It's actually really easy to do. If you look on the side here, we have some buttons, okay? The bottom individual one by itself right here is your power/lock button. And then you have your volume up and volume down buttons right here. Now they're on the same side. So if you have to hit two of them together, you can't really do it with the same fingers. It's kind of difficult to do. You have to do it with the same hand. You have to do it with fingers on different hands. So to do a hard reset on your Moto G Play, all that you got to do is press and hold onto the power and volume up buttons together simultaneously for a few seconds until the screen turns black. So I'm going to use my right thumb for the power/lock button, and then I'm going to use my left index finger for the volume up button. I'm reaching over it here, just like that. So I'm going to press and hold them down together. Let's go. Right now we pressed and we're holding them down, and I'm just waiting, and we're going to wait till the screen turns black. That's going to hard reset the device. So there we go. Now that the screen turned black, I can release them, okay? And as you can see right there, we have hard reset the device. It's literally that easy. So if your device is unresponsive, if it's not performing properly, sometimes devices just need to be restarted. It's as simple as that. So when you restart your device, you're starting it fresh essentially. If there's any glitches, you're hoping that they'll go away. And as you can see right here, we've just restarted the device. And if you cannot reset it through the menu, then that's what's going to happen. So as you can see right there, no problem. We have now I don't know what's going on there. We're going to try that again. We have now hard reset the device. I know it's the wrong pattern. That was definitely unintentional. We're going to slow it down. There we go. So that's how to hard reset or how to hard restart a Moto G Play. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.